Have you ever found yourself in a bind, needing to send money quickly, perhaps to a family member in an emergency or to close a crucial deal, and wondered if your digital-first bank, Vio Bank, could handle the transfer? It's a question many of us with online-only accounts face, especially when traditional banking services like wire transfers come into play. We're used to the convenience, the high-yield savings, and the low fees that digital banks offer. But what happens when you need a service that feels a bit more, well, brick and mortar? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Can you wire money from Vio Bank? Vio Bank, for those unfamiliar, is a division of MidFirst Bank, a well-established financial institution. This relationship is crucial to understanding its capabilities, especially when it comes to services like wire transfers. While Vio Bank itself operates as an online-only entity, leveraging technology to provide competitive interest rates and a streamlined user experience, its backing by MidFirst Bank means it has access to a broader range of traditional banking functionalities. This hybrid model often leads to questions about what services are directly available through the Vio Bank interface and what might require a detour through its parent company. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you initiate an outbound wire transfer directly from your Vio Bank account? The short answer, and one that might surprise some given Vio Bank's online-only nature, is no, not directly through their online portal or mobile app. Vio Bank's primary focus is on deposit accounts like their high-yield savings and CDs, designed for accumulating and managing funds digitally. Wire transfers, with their inherent need for stringent verification, specific routing, and often same-day processing, typically fall under the purview of a more traditional banking operation. However, this doesn't mean you're entirely out of luck if you need to send a wire and your funds are with Vio Bank. This is where the connection to MidFirst Bank becomes relevant. While Vio Bank itself doesn't offer direct wire transfer services, MidFirst Bank does. This means that to send a wire transfer, you would generally need to transfer the funds from your Vio Bank account to a MidFirst Bank account first, and then initiate the wire from there. This adds an extra step and a potential time delay, so it's something to factor into your planning, especially if you're working with tight deadlines. It's also important to note that initiating a wire transfer, regardless of the bank, involves a significant level of security and verification. You'll need accurate recipient information, including their full name, address, bank name, routing number, and account number. For international wires, you'll also need the SWIFT/BAC code. There are also fees associated with wire transfers, and these can vary depending on whether it's a domestic or international transfer and the policies of the sending and receiving banks. Always confirm these details and fees beforehand to avoid any surprises. In essence, while Vio Bank excels at offering a convenient and rewarding digital banking experience for savings, it's not designed for direct, on-demand services like outbound wire transfers. For that, you'd leverage the capabilities of its parent company, MidFirst Bank. This highlights the importance of understanding the full scope of services offered by any online-only bank and their relationship with any parent institutions, especially when you anticipate needing more traditional banking functionalities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.